Some of you want to see my beauty therapy. You see me say, yeah, Larry, this Larry's wife is fresh. It is fresh. Hey, don't let anybody deceive you. It's very simple. Beauty therapy is very simple. Maybe they brush your teeth. When fine, get a soft toothbrush. Get a good facial scrub. Once you have your toothbrush, you see how put the scrub for face. Just scrub it anti-clockwise. You see, my beauty therapy, somebody can tell me, say, make I bring 40,000. Do it. For what? Some of them come and be sleeping on my face. I just came out from face. He said, I don't let anybody sleep. Just get toothbrush with your facial scrub. See, and me, my problem, my soap, no cost. You see this Kogi? 100 naira for 3. Now you buy. I go take a rubber again, leave it for 5 minutes. And I will scrub my face. Soft standard toothbrush you will need. Because you scrub your face in the body. All those freckles, macros, sucrose, all those anti-cruise, all of them, they will go. You see? Scrub it gently. Don't rush. Scrub all the region. Your face have clogged pores. The pores of your face will open. By the time you finish it, you remember I said I teach you one Vaseline mix recipe. Apply it. They go think say yourself they buy cream of 250,000. They're not gonna know say now easy does it method they use. You see this social media, this Instagram, this Federal Republic of this Judiciary Federal Republic of Nigeria, where they judge people, they decide for people, they condemn people, they give people hypertension. If you're not anybody to give you hypertension, they will now be using all sorts of camera to be say like soft toothbrush, good facial scrub. Scrub your face anti-clockwise. Cause the day way, all our fine, any toy. Our grandmama no go spa. Our great grandmama they no go any facial place. And they look good, they see better husband. They no rub past one layer of powder. Modu at one powder around puno. On what today nine, one could 4 layers of powder, one for highlight your contour, suppress your anti-press. Kisheki de nune. Why you go allow people kill you for this social media? People will give you hypertension, money where you don't get, you go the final. Man, where you don't need to sleep with, you go sleep with them because is it a toothbrush of 100 naira you cannot buy? Keep showing. Well, you see it, all this area, scrub it. No pain, no gain. I know say it's smooth too, you see, just scrub it anti-clockwise. And by the time you finish, leave it for like 5 minutes. Go for you, why she didn't beauty is a very simple and it's a very cheap. Now I'm go kill myself on top. My dear, life is simple. Don't let one person who don't get money for account to tell you say, he spend 40,000 for this Christmas. Tell them say, Mama T, I've told you. You see, if you know Sabi where they sell Kogi soap, when original. All you need to do, just go and buy Dettol soap. Put it. Dettol is very, very good. Odago, Dettol ni ẹ̀dá, ọṣẹ gidi ohun wà. O mọ̀ sọ, o ní antibacterial properties. Kó fi sójú ẹ̀. Dédé rán ọjà gbẹgbẹ àti san bacteria, sukeria, ducteria rẹ̀ wà lójú rẹ̀. Ṣé o máa clean dédé náà? Kò dẹ́ ti fi brush for. After 5 minutes, bọ̀ ojú rẹ̀, bí kò ṣàn dáadáa fọwọ́ gbówó ẹ̀. Ṣé ojú rẹ̀ máa glow? Just do it 2 times a week. Èdè wà lọ, you will be shining. You go shine past 5 sleep myself. You go shine past 5 sleep. You go kill us for this Lagos with this beauty. No do that. See, my teeth face is shining. I have white powder. I don't get foundation. I will just put the whole matter. You see? Fine girl, no pimple. You are looking for me, they are looking for you too. Yeah. No vacante. Hey, move on, fire, Larry. I see you guys that. I don't come again. Timaya don't show again. This holiday, we still day here. We know say this one a compo holiday. So let me greet everybody. Happy tolerance holiday. I hope Mama and Papa you are cohabiting very well. Una no get choice. The thing will happen be say. So women don't they send me DM say the matter is getting worse. Kire pata olosho, you know fit tire olosho pants. So you no go tire you. So the thing where you no go make am tire you. Now everyone, because me, I don't want to make those daddy they complain. I don't want them at all. So today, we want to learn how to steam the vagina. The vagina is the head office. That is the CBN. Now there daddy they work you, and now only 2 people they work for there. Now where daddy they play, doctors they work. So where doctors go work, we no see any doctor wey go come take care of us now. So now there daddy go play. Now you say make we do today. I wanna teach you how to steam and take care of the head office. Who tell you say that area self you no need cleaning? You need proper, serious and alacrity cleaning. And me I dey do that thing. If you do a finish like this, make you come lay your bed. Make daddy come dey. You go be like say dem cook akama soup. You know hard. Shebi you dey cook jollof rice, you get time for house. Baby dey your house. Wetin remain? This one dey there, lemongrass. See, oregano leaf dey there. Basil leaf dey there. You na sabi this one too. Na all this thing will go boil. When you boil am with hot water, boil am well, put some like this. You see? Put it. When you put all these things, you go boil am. When you boil am finish, you go dey hot. Pour am inside this kind bowl. Put am for your toilet seat, make it enter. Find bowl wey go still enter like this. Cover am. Hey, Nna, sit down. Hey! When you sit down, you don't enter. When you sit down for there, let me tell you the things where this thing they do. If you they get constant headache, stress won't kill you. It go help you to relieve headache. That place, all those gingivitis, conjunctivitis, aronavitis, where they there from all not there watching your pants very well, it go kill all those bacteria. When you kill all those bacteria, you see that head office where we they talk so, you get your own muscles. It go help the muscles to contract very well. I talked about for my last video, say, those of una where they find picking, fire on. Now you go fire on. So when una dey fire on, now that time, una go know, say, that place is the office. So me, I go put water like this. So the water go there, make the water reach level like this before we put them, I forget. So now this thing of all those ones, now this thing go help that area. Yeah. But something they happen, I know happy. I'm not happy. You know, say today I no laugh. I'm not happy because we women, we mothers, it be like say we no understand ourselves. We no appreciate ourselves. This one where God don't spoil some people will make your own better. We no say this is your opportunity for you to reconcile with Oga. Let me tell you something. It's very difficult, but it's like truth. The difference between a mother and a woman, I go tell you today. You see some mothers, when they get problem for their marriage, when we tell you say this is your opportunity to sort them out, would they wait for make your guy come beg you? See, mothers, you go swallow your pride. You now, woman, they do gala like this. Once you are a mother, you have to sacrifice a lot. It's painful. Man go rub rubbish for your face, talk rubbish. As long as the man no beat you, you have to tolerate him. Now you be their mama. They no get anything. Waiting men after this thing where they under, they no get anything. Now we be their engine room. So you go look for a way to reconcile. If Oga no beg your Oga. This is the opportunity. Because their ego, you have to rub their ego. If they pay us, some things where we do, where we say, Ogas go they accuse us, Ogas go they vex for us. Now they're wrong. But now, man, if we're a mother, that's the pride of becoming a mother. You are not a woman. A woman can say, I can't take this shit no more. Woman go just carry bag waka. As a mother, you know fit to do like that, yo. Now you be your mama, now you be your sister, now you be your friend, now you be the mother of your children. What you want to do? This is the time. Swallow your pride. If Oga no come beg you, beg Oga. And I don't teach you how to do the head office. Clean the head office area very, very well. And you men safe. At least this opportunity where una dey house now, una go don't know say one man, one wife is not a crime. What una dey find outside? Una no know the thing where this young girls carry up and down. What una dey find? See, let me tell you something. If my husband, if Lati they go anyway, Lati go tell me say, they say it's only girlfriend that come. Hey, I'm your girlfriend. He say that party is strictly for married men. They are bringing some babe. Hey, now maybe your lushu, now maybe your prostitute, now maybe your friend, now maybe your mama, now maybe your burial warrior, now maybe your sister. In fact, use me pretend I will change makeup. What are you talking about? My brothers, my sisters. This is opportunity for this coronavirus where we get so. Me, na testimony I won't hear. Say it is well. I sing one song for person today. Make I sing that for you. Make you know. I never sing that song. Make I remember the song safe. I say, I go remember. I go still do the video. See, make una plenty video for my hand, yo. This holiday, now me be your channel TV. As DSTV no do rebate for anybody, when they not even remove say we do 1 month free. I'm your channel TV. And me be your DSTV. Go and follow me. Just one adeto on Instagram. Hey, una go see. We go by fire by force. This coronavirus, we go take and amend our relationship. We're gonna be happy. We shall overcome it, and we will come out happy. And so many women, well, this method, this therapy where I teach you, now secret, yo. Now one of the things where those solutions they do, where they go back, go on them with that. Me, I don't teach you. If you steam the V area, the Central Bank of Operation, the head office of alacrity activities, you must go. You go be like say they carry 18-year-old girl. You will finish them. You say you go open your leg like this. Open it well. Hang it. When you finish hanging, all you have been well, I never give you. Put them well. And when you finish, you go just say, my baby, you are the best. God bless you. You go still pray. You go still pray for Oga. And you guys now, I know 1 year still, una report anything to me because madam, them don't release themselves. Madam, no fight una now. Una they happy, collabo, they for house. Would they eat good food? Would they sharp good head office? Would they relax? Some people now at 9 o'clock they just start another version of sleeping. They go do until 1 o'clock. I know say if all this one over, gym, una go burn the fat, but till then, make we know say we safe. We do plenty. So my people, my fans, my family. After now I go local government. I want to put my family for my second name. I think say they go. I'm sure say they go accept because this level where we dey now, we must solve this problem. This marital problem where they our hand. That is, if mommy come beg you, I beg listen. Just give them another opportunity. Some of we women, we can be very mad. When we vex, we go do the things where we're not supposed to. It no be our fault. Now protection and love. We know say if we scatter everything, now we go still bear the pain. So when we go there, go outside, go cause trouble, can't give us. It no good. It no good. And me, I dey pray. Because above all, I dey pray say, Ogadema, Odigoma, it shall be well. This opportunity of this coronavirus, where we say now we married women, pay pass. Yesterday, my husband tell me, say anybody who stress me, go kill her. I look one eye, I see say whether it's a joke. He talk like 3 times. Hey, I don't happy. Oh, God don't they say he love me, oh. Me and my husband, he love me before. But he love now, say, what he just said, yo. Lola lele, yo. What he just said. I will see you later. Make una go try this my therapy. Boy, now make it hot well. Put that, sit down on top. Just they check me for Facebook. Check me for Instagram. They look am. You go see, say, your V area, it go contrast well. The months you go there, okay, it go boost your confidence. You know, go dey fear, say maybe if you reach there, it go dey smell. Hey, before you go, let me tell you something. When you come finish everything, shebi get coconut oil for house. You go massage it. Massage that area. Coconut oil is very, very good. Now, serious antibacterial. If any bacteria still there, where the thing say by fire by force, you won't stay there, it will still kill them. So when you do this therapy like this, still rub your bum, rub it very well, make everything they shine. Make you come dey waka naked. If you get high yourself, well, make you just dey waka for bedroom. For God, I say you get one bed party. They do like this. For God will say, hey baby, come. As you say, hey baby, as you come like this.